Hello guys, today we'll be fixing a higher thermocool inverter panel for an air condition, higher thermocool air condition. So basically it has this 8 error. So we'll be looking for a solution to it. So I'm going to plug it in now. Plug it in. See, it shows this 8 error and every other function does not work. You hold the power button when you put it on. So we'll be tracing the faults now. So basically the first the first thing that comes to mind would be the crystal oscillator. The crystal oscillator basically stays here. So um why I said is the crystal oscillator, because the panel itself comes on but it's malfunctioning. So the first thing we are supposed to check will be the crystal oscillator. So I'll change one here now and see. So now we plug it in to test. So the fault was the crystal oscillator, as I said. Please, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you have questions, so you can drop it in the comment section. Have a good day.